Hey guys, it's Tiffany and welcome to my world. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a huge Shein unboxing. This is my summer little outfit. I think I got like 2-3 things from like Fashion Nova, H&M or something, but mostly everything in here is Shein. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, let's just get into it. I spent under $300 summer shopping, which is very good for me. This is enough stuff. A total of 36 items, so let's just start. Green crop top that looks super cute. Then we got some green shorts. Super cute, flowy. Most of these are extra small. This is an extra small as well. Oh, this is my skirt. It cinches in at the middle and it has cargo pockets. And there's like little slits towards the end. And it looks super cute. This is an extra small. Okay. Then next we got this pink bodysuit in an extra small. I like bodysuits. Everybody has these shorts, so I decided to get them in navy blue. These are extra small. They look black, but I promise they're navy blue. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna wear this wine tasting. This is an extra small. Green, like, oh, I didn't know it was that see-through slit front skirt with like the little white flowers on it, and it looks super cute and kind of like, oh, no, wait, I don't know. Some people said this reminds them of Skims related stuff, so it's just this nude. This is the Shein Bay line. It's an extra small. Oh, I hope I can fit these. These look super cute, y'all. I hope I can fit these. They look like that. So this is the front of the skirt. Oh, baby, can I fit this? The front is a skirt, the back is shorts. Oh, I ordered, this is see-through, y'all. It's a white dress. I don't even know how to wear this. It's a white dress. I got it. Then I got, oh, y'all, I'm excited for these. They're these denim shorts. These are 26. I just got the smallest size they had, and they lace up on the side with denim, and I'm gonna wear these out. I want this two-piece set. It's a tube top, looks like this. And here's the bottom. It's a midi skirt. No slits or nothing, just bodycon, two-piece set. This is an extra small. I'm glad Shein has a petite line because I used to only shop at Pretty Little Thing for stuff in my size. Jersey neck skirt. I want to wear some with some dunks. This summer. This is an extra small as well, I think, you guys. No, it's just extra small. It's gray. It gives me mermaid vibes. This is an extra small as well. Oh, I'm excited for this top. You're gonna see it like somewhere. Skirt, dress, romper. Okay. I forgot I ordered this. Okay, this looks a little big. This is an extra small. It might, oh, it'll probably fit me good. This is a midi dress, gray midi dress with the slit on the side, but this is like scuba material. I'm excited. Okay, this is a skirt, and like, you guys gotta see it on. You're not gonna get it till you see it on. You know I like brown. These are a brown pair of shorts that are leather. It's like this little collared tee. This makes me excited to go out. Okay, extra small, like laddies. 26. Stretch it. Okay, let's try them on in a minute. This is a brown dress that like crisscrosses in the front. This is a bodysuit. You can imagine this. Like, here's the top part and there's the bottom part. This one. Oh, this comes with an extra button. It's an extra small. It's a little see-through, but it's cute. I got some orange flip-flops to go with this. Gold flip-flops. I got them in a size 37, which might be a 6.5 or 6. I wear US 6. And I got this gold purse for a specific look I have in mind. So it's like, if y'all hear a baby crying, it's mine. Next, I got something green. Okay. Oh, this is super thin. Okay, this is the top. It has ruching on the side. It's super thin, like, y'all, super thin. But this is an extra small. I'm gonna check to make sure everything's here. This is supposed to be a mini dress, so I hope it fits. It's extra small. So, there's that. Blue. Oh, this is way darker than I thought. Okay, this is a maxi dress. This is like literally so long, looks so cute. Wow, I thought this was gonna be navy blue to go with those shorts, so I guess I probably gotta wear a white shirt with a little skirt. And it looks like this. It's a mini cargo skirt, so let's see if it fits. Excited. Looks like this. This is a basic white cheap purse. Some sunglasses, an orange pair of sunnies, a pink pair of sunnies, and then we got a green pair of sunnies. This green purse from H&M. I had got 2 pairs of shoes from Fashion Nova. The first pair is this orange flip-flop that looks like this. Green sandal to go with this purse. They match good enough for me. They look good. Flip-flops, I got them in a size 37, which might be a 6.5 or 6. I wear US 6. Like this purse for a specific look I have in mind. So it's like that. So the girlies get it, okay? Next, we got an orange circle purse with this. Just got a circle in. So yeah.